Retaining walls need to be replaced after a certain length of time. This wall was built back in the mid 60s and is long overdue for being replaced. We have found a contractor that is willing to do to the wall what we asked him to do. Others didn't think that they could do it, didn't want to do it, or just plain wouldn't even come and look. So let me show you what the wall looks like now, and we will see what it looks like when it's finished. When this wall was built, the steps were built far too narrow, very difficult to get your lawnmower down to the bottom here to be able to cut the grass. Through the years, vines have overtaken. The dirt has moved the walls. Weeds have overtaken. And this is why we want the wall replaced. When the wall gets replaced, the steps are going to be widened to probably twice what they are now, which will make it a lot easier to go up and down. As you can see from here, the wall has collapsed. The wall is leaning tremendously. It is just an out and out mess. Contractor said they should be able to replace it in approximately 3 days. There'd be a day to tear down. Sorry for the bouncing, I just lost my balance. They said it would take a day for them to tear this wall down, and perhaps 2 to rebuild it. And instead of having the stone that we have here, we are going to get interlocking blocks that will be much nicer. This side of the wall we decided to keep as is for now because it is in good shape. I replaced the top level about 6 years ago in drywall, and it hasn't budged. So we will just leave it alone. This is what we were going to do, use these rocks to try and build it up, but we have decided rather than using these rocks, we'll just go ahead and use the interlocking blocks. And you can see from here, I think, that it is quite a drop from this level down to the bottom level, which did put a lot of pressure on the bottom wall. So in a few days, this should look pretty good. And 65 years of wall will be history.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.